si Divine, isa ko kabugto sa lain niya ginikanan. Isa ka masarigan, kagpangkangan ka. Isa ka loving and caring nga magurang sa anang mga libayan. Pareho kay Van, started also in one hello. And in one hello, I never expect that friendship will grow. Kag mamunga for so full, wonderful memories. Van, I'm so thankful that you were born and for being part of my life. Dumdumon mo gipin mo nagyalang ko para kanimo, willing nga mag-listen kag mag-intindi. Kami nga DBK, di bala? What a DBK kung maay ti Divine. Always remember, you're an overcomer, loved, cared, and blessed in so many ways. Never think that you are alone. Sisters ta, di bala? And sisters always support each other. Be more prayerful and faithful in serving the Lord. Together, we will fulfill His promises. Together, we will see the kingdom of God. Abit na lang ah. Happy birthday, Vine. I love you so much. I miss you too. Manali ko mismo ko. Enjoy your day. Gusto ko lang makita ka nga happy, smiling, pretty,